So we're here at the peak, the tram. I don't know if you could see that, but look at the line. But thankfully, you know, we booked using Klook. Kaya nung sa Pilipinas pa lang, may ticket na kami. And so, because of Klook, no, I don't need to go to the line. I'll just go here. And yay! Again, fast. So thank you, Klook. So again, really appreciate Klook for helping us get tickets here at the peak. So yeah, let's go. Let's try. Ano bang meron dito? Just scan the QR. We're good. Gang. Yay! Wow, Diyos, ang ganda naman dito ng view dito. May porcupine. Alright. It is time. Actually, hindi ko rin alam kung ano meron dito eh. Sa the peak. But, ano ba meron dito lang?
Surprise! Alam niyo ba guys, may kwento ko. Kwento ko lang, hindi ako wala ni Alec tong.
Hindi ka maririnig sa nandito yung...
Kasakay na kami ng Uber. Tapos, mawawala niya yung camera. Kasakay na ng Uber, mawawala niya yung camera, na-realize ko, saan yung camera? Video mo yung Uber natin. Tapos tumakbo siya pabalik ng hotel, na iwan niya pala sa counter nung nag-check out na.
Alam niyo ba guys, yan natapon niya yung popcorn niya sa...
Walang 40,000 yung popcorn. 200 pesos lang.
So we're about to board the tram. I guess this will give us a tour of Hong Kong. I'm not sure yet. I'm really excited. So I love doing fashion stuff here. You know, nakaporma ng ganito eh. Still happy, so happy. Okay, let's go. So we're here. Mayroon in the tram. So medyo last day na ng trip namin kaya nagsiselfone na lang lagi si Annie. Kasi nagpa-post na siya ng mga photos. Tsaka. Joe, sa Tram View Cafe. Sa baba. For the emota ka dito. Kunwari nasa ano.
You don't criticize the moon for not shining the same each night. You don't look up at it and say you're not trying hard enough. Because the moon doesn't have to be full and bright every night to be loved. And neither do you.
Ayan. Yun na siya guys. Nagsiselfone pa rin siya. Tapos na yung tram.
Kasi siya, nilalagay niya lang as collaborator yung sarili niya sa post ko. Kaya hindi siya nagpo-post. Mali pa yung...
Hindi niya nakikita yung magandang view. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng bato. Hindi niya nakikita guys kasi nagsiselfone na siya. Okay, sa pagpasok mo yung parang souvenir stuff. So, dito na ata bumibili yung mga tao ng pasalubong. Ah, sige. Ah, okay, may mall pa. Yan, ito yung mga mabibili nyo. Oh! Doon yung Madame Tussauds.
Yeah.
Uy, si ano? Sino yan? Benedict Cumberbatch. Oh my gosh, it looks so real. That is so...
Lapit ka naman.
Nahitatakot ako eh. Wow! Wow! Look at that. That's... We can smell the coffee! Woohoo! Pacific Coffee!
Oatly sila.
Merong oat milk.
Ayan o, Oatly latte.
Yay!
Yeah.
Plant-based. Thank you, Pacific Coffee, for providing us good coffee. Ito yung first good coffee na natikman namin dito sa Hong Kong. Na meron ding oat milk, kaya pwede kami magkape. This is our view. Meron daw siyang
Dream proposal.
dream proposal.
Bago lang.
Naisip niya daw kung paano dapat ako mag-propose.
Oo.
Sabi ko, mas maganda yung naisip ko.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga. Ang ganda talaga. Timeline. Para na maisip ko kung pareho tayo ng iniisip. Q1, Q2, ganon. Sabihin mo lang, para lang paisip ko kung pareho tayo ng iniisip.
Q1.
Ay! Ano, patay tayo dyan. Patay tayo dyan.
Tama ako, di ba?
Hello?
Thank you, Klook.
So, yung pinili namin sa Klook, tram plus Skyter is 40. So, yung peak tram, pabalikan na to. Tapos yung Skyter is isang puntahan. So, we didn't have to line up, we didn't have to...
So, lahat.
Automatic ilan na lang kami kasi may ticket.
Wow, and we are here. Ready, set, go. How to take photos when you're traveling alone. You bring out this tripod and then you, oh my gosh, that's a long tripod. And then you open up the stand of the tripod. And then you put there. Huh? 3, 2, 1. That's behind the scenes of vloggerisms. As a vlogger, as a content creator, that's your job. That's a job. That's our job. That's what we do here. This is pure work stuff, you know. We're traveling.
Nako!
Wow. Thank you, Hong Kong.
Kailangan na namin magtrabaho.
Yes, magtrabaho na
Mag-Coldplay
tayo.
tomorrow.
Oh,
You have to go home.
you have to go home and
Okay,
watch Coldplay.
let's go. Ganon.
Paano? Ay, sapa.
Babe.
Sapa.
Thank you, Josh, for this trip. Wow, feeling. Joke lang.
As a sugar daddy.
Hoy, hati kami dito. Huwag kang ano.
Actually, hindi ako nagbayad. Nilibre lang ako lahat niyan.
Ang feeling mo naman. Let's go, Mila.
Let's go. Thank you, Hong Kong. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Meron ako nakita ang mochi na cheese cookie. Araw kami ng kainan, pero ako gusto ko siya tikman ngayon. Tikman natin siya.
Dito na kami kakain kasi wala na kaming time. Diretso na kami
Airport.
hotel to get the luggage and then airport.
Paano tayo pupunta airport nga pala?
Hong Kong Express.
Okay. So, pupunta tayo sa Admiralty? Wan Chai?
Hong Kong.
What do you mean?
Hong Kong Station.
Oh, magta-taxi tayo papuntang Hong Kong Station?
Yeah. Uber. Tapos, Airport Express na mahal. Magkano yung Airport Express?
97? I don't know.
200 each ata yun.
Anyway, I'm gonna eat my mochi
Baka
first.
naman pwedeng mag-ano na tayo. Magkano ngayon yung Hong Kong Airport? Baka naman pwedeng
Gusto ko siyang kainin.
mag-grab na tayo.
Let's try. Wait lang guys, ilalabas ko lang siya. Okay, nilabas ko na siya. Nilabas ko na yung mochi. Kainin na natin.
230.
Okay. Okay.
Ano lasa?
Cheesecake! Wow!
Talaga?
Ang sarap!
What if mag-uwi ka? Malamig ba siya?
Cheesecake malamig eh.
Patikim. Konti lang.
Wow! Oh
It's so
my...
good.
It's so good! What the heck? English yan eh. It's so good, guys. Guys, kailangan nyo matry ito. Kung pupunta kayo in the peak, i-try nyo yung mochi. Cheese cookie flavor. Solid! Parang may ice cream sa loob. I'm sorry, I'm so lost. Napakasarap talaga.
Babe, ang ganda. What if lagay ko sa maleta? Ang ganda oh.
Yun na siya. Shopping mode.
20 lang.
Ligaw na ako, guys. Focus ako dito. Ang sarap!
Hello, baby. Cute oh. Insans. Mahal dito, mahal.
I'm gonna get the final bite. Joke. Tapa. So good. Ang sarap ng mochi. So dito ko siya nakuha sa Snowy, oh my gosh, Snowy Savor. Yun siya. Try nyo when you're here at the peak. Super good. Patingin sa vlog para makita nila. Pang thumbnail.
Parang maganda nga yung ganitong style. Hindi ko kasi
Ano
alam
size
kung
yan? Ano size? Ano size yan, Diyos? Pag ako nag-propose, mas mali-mali, bala ka. Sakto, mga 8.5. Maluwag na.
Ito yung tamang.
Ano yan?
And one bag. One shirt and one bag. How many?
Yung black, gusto ko yung black.
Black. Another black. So free! Is there zipper in all? Okay, two. Where's my freebie? I choose.
Yay!
And then
Yay.
Cash and
Thank you. Free. Got a freebie. Kita nyo naman po ang negotiation na naganap. So, this is 3 pieces for 110. We got 10 and plus 1, 9. We got 110, 9. So we got a total of 10 for $330. Plus this free thing right here. Hustler. Okay, you can see Yani in her true essence. Yani in her true essence.
Babe, asan yung octopus mo? Can you check how much?
I think mine has 20. So we have cash here inside, right? So we need to spend it. Yan lang naman. For our staff.
Kasi ang cute may zipper. Cute, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang madilag sa-
Can you pay half octopus, half cash?
Yeah, pwede.
Pwede?
Yeah, this is no more money.
No more money?
Yeah, for the no at the 42 lah.
Ano naman akong kawawa dito.
Okay, andito kami sa labas ng The Peak Tower and parang ang dami pang mga attractions, ang dami pang mga ganaps. Pero hindi na namin maikot kasi flight na namin in a bit. Kaya,
Inabit ka naman, babe. 6 hours pa.
6 hours pa. Yun na yung inabit sa atin. Ayaw naman natin malate eh. Siyempre, hindi kasi tayo nalilate. Anyway,
Kami sa lahat except sa airplane.
babalik na lang kami dito para mag-ikot. Kasi ang dami pa sa stores. Ha, mga kainan? Okay, so kung kakain kayo dito, diyan kami pupunta. Okay. Do we go or do we eat?
Yeah.
Here.
Parang ang layo.
Ikot. Hay lang. Joke lang guys, may nakita kaming kainan pa. So hindi pa matatapos ang vlog. Hanap kami ng... Kuya, masarap po ba? Sarap po ba dito? Hindi siya sumasagot. Gusto mo talaga yun, no? Clock, babe, oh, may clock. Ay, nakasulat, oh, clock. So you really want to eat at an authentic Chinese restaurant. Foodie. Yep. Ako, honey barbecue pork rice. Ito yung menu nila. In English.
Roasted goose daw.
Medyo hirap nga sila talagang mag-English. So, kailangan talaga ng either translate. You know what's funny? Because meron din actually feature si Apple. Okay. So, for example, this one, diba? You highlight it. Open your camera on your iPhone. And then, there's a button on the rightmost lower right. So, for example, we'll try the top one. No. Yeah. So, we'll try to get this. And there's a button on the left, lower left. Says translate. You click that. And, oh, burn tripod. What the? Just use Google Translate. So, we're eating here in Chef Ding. Si Chef Ding pala yun kanina sa labas. So, the food's here. Ano to, Joss? Walang basta alam ko may crispy something yan eh. Ito naman, pork barbecue. Okay. Octopus card.
Ito may 53 pa.
So, itong octopus card, ito yung parang GCash card nila na ginagamit kahit saan sa mga kainan, sa MRT, sa train, bus. So, very, very helpful. Thank you so much. Eh, max out na namin to. So, But now we're gonna eat our last meal here in Hong Kong before we go home back to the PH. Yeah.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Okay, so one of our hacks here, well, syempre, kung pinapahalagaan mo ng sobra yung oras mo, mas madali kung mag-Uber ka na lang. So we use Uber for a whole trip. And
Also, kasi ang layo ng hotel namin from the train. So, kaysa maglakad kami ng super tagal, Uber na lang kami to save time. Like, an hour of walk is like 5 minutes of Uber. So, Uber na lang kami.
Uber. Anyway, so ngayon papunta na kami ng airport.
To
And
pick up our luggage from the hotel and then airport.
okay.
And guess what?
What?
We got to book a Tesla.
Yay!
Kung ma-experience na ni Alec ang Tesla sa wakas.
So it's my first time gonna be able to ride a Tesla. I've always wanted to see
excited for you.
what it looks like or how it feels like. Kasi nakita ko din dito sa Hong Kong, ang daming naka-Tesla, ang daming, I think yun yung parang normal na kotse dito. I don't know, hindi ko po alam. Pero nakita ko lang sobrang dami. And I'm just excited because it's my first time riding a Tesla. And I wanna vlog it. I wanna...
Let's see. It's a white Tesla. Wow, Model 3. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, pero... Actually, gusto ko talaga mag-Uber para ma-experience na Alex sumakay ng Tesla. And I'm happy kasi 1 hour, more than an hour to, babe, na-drive to airport. Kasi same price lang if magti-train kami or mag-Uber kami. Driver is arriving now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just gonna pick up the luggage from the hotel because we have 2 drop-offs. Uber lang dito talaga.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ang galing na. Nakikita niya yung kotse. Pati yung tao.
Oh my.
Wow.
Malapit tayo sa Emperor Hotel.
So we're on our way to the airport. Sobrang sakto lang. This was just a dream before. So meron kayong mga pangarap sa buhay. Patuloy lang kayong mangarap kasi posible talaga siyang umabot. Posible talaga mangyari. If you can see it in your mind, you can see it in your hands. You know?
We're going home.
Going home.
Sad, but we need to go to work. Nag-work na si Alec. As you can see, nag-work na siya. Guys, pauwi na kami and look at what I'm doing. Being a princess. I'm spinning like a ballerina. Woohoo! Departures. Feeling ko dumi na ng puwet ko after ko dito umupo. Pero pagod na kasi ako. So, should work, should be fine. I'm spinning like a ballerina. Yeah, so we gotta put this in the boarding pass. Gotta put the boarding pass. All passengers must go here. Okay? You have to go home.
You have to go home and
Okay,
watch Coldplay.
let's go. Ganon.
Paano? Ay, sapa.
Babe.
Hey guys!